we are going to discuss about a new topic, that is surface areas and volume. Before that, you just subscribe the KDM channel SM, okay? Let us get into the exercise 15.1. First question. Two cubes, each of the volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Okay, so friends, this is the diagram. Given, we have to write given. So given is compulsory, friends. You will get half marks for this. So volume of a cuboid 64 centimeter cube. We have converted 64 into a cube. So a is equals to cube root of 64. That is nothing but a is 4 centimeter, friends. Okay, now let us go to sum. Here cuboid is equals to, then length is 8 centimeter, then breadth is 4 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter. So now surface area of a cuboid is equals to formula 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now we have to substitute these values in this. Okay, likewise 2 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8. So now 2 8 4s are 32 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 4 8s are 32. Now everything if you calculate, you will get the main answer as 80. So if you multiply, you will get 160 centimeters square. If you have to multiply, like 2 into 80 is equals to 160. If you multiply, you will get the answer this. Now let's go to second sum. Second question. A vessel in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. So this is the diagram. Okay, so here now we have to get the height. So height is equals to total height of height minus height of the hemisphere is equals to 13 minus 7, that is 6 centimeter. The height is 6 centimeter. Okay, now inner surface area of the vessel is equals to CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. Okay, now CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square and CSA of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. So we have to substitute. That is 2 into pi is value is 22 by 7 into radius is 7 plus 7 square plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 6. So here square and 7 gets cancelled. Left out is 44 into 7 plus 44 into 6. So we will get 308 plus 264. So the total answer is 572 centimeters square. Thank you.